Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn the detailing of turnbuckle. Now first of all, what is turnbuckle? So turnbuckle is used to join two rods. See, there are two rods, rod A, rod B, and this is turnbuckle. So if I'll show you 3D, then it is somewhat like this. So this is how turnbuckle is. And we have threading in this. Got it? This way. This way. This is turnbuckle. And then we have two rods. See, it's a rod, let's say shaft. One is over here and it has threading on it. And other shaft is here. This is how we need to, this is over here also there is a threading. So this is total assembly of turnbuckle. Now we need to draw detailing. So we'll take one by one. So we'll take first body, then we'll take two shafts. So in body, first we will draw shaft. It's very simple. So they will ask you to draw any one shaft. So let's take shaft A, right? This you can draw. This is threading. And this is extra portion. To the dark. This is how shaft will appear. They will mention the dimension and all, so you don't have to worry about it. So this is shaft A. Now in this, see, and now I have done this around. People, they do it this way also. It depends what they have given. Generally in exam, they will give you something like this. Where this is 2 into 45 degree. That means this distance is 2 and this angle is 45 degree, right? And this is how they will give you threading. And in side view, see, this shaft is done. Now we need to draw side view. So for side view, when you see from here, what do you see? You see a big circle, right? And you need to draw 3/4 circle. Why you need to draw 3/4 circle? To show there is an external threading on it. And we need to hatch. Sorry. Why we are hatching? Because of this. Now, what this indicates, see, they will give you this length, thread length, let's say 80. This you can take whatever you want because this indicates the length of the shaft. So we assume that length of the shaft can be anything. So this can be any length, right? So this you should keep in mind. So whenever this extension can be anything. So that indicates that it's infinite. Whatever length you want, you can take that. Got it? So we are done with shaft A. Same way you can draw shaft B, right? What I've done is front view and side view, this way. This is left hand side view. If you want to draw right hand side view, then it will come here, right? In that also, but when you draw right hand side view, that time you have to draw this dotted. Why? Because when you see from here, wait, no, not dotted, it will be dark only. The only thing you can't draw hatching. because you can't see this part. So this is left hand side, this is right hand side. So you have both the ideas from where you're seeing. If you're seeing it from here, left side, you draw it on the right side, that is left hand side view. We are following first angle method. And when you see from here, right, this is right hand side view. So which will come on left side and it will be like this. So here hatching will come because of this shaft. Here hatching won't come. Okay, so this is about the shaft. Now we'll see about the body. So if you see this body, this is somewhat like a rectangle. And there is some trapezium part. When you will draw, you will realize it is somewhat like this, right? And this is connected. First, I'm drawing without section. I'm drawing full, right? So this is how it will come. So this part will be dotted. When you're drawing orthographic, see, it will be like this. Because when you see from here, see, this part is there. See, initially, the entire part was in cylinder only, with a thread over here and the thread on the other side. So they used to join rod A, rod B like this. But then this was creating a lot of weight. There is a lot of weight, right? So that's how they did the tapering thing. And then they removed a part of it in between. So that's how they got this hollow portion. So this is the entire part is they have removed. Otherwise, earlier it was just a plain cylinder. But they have removed this upper part, lower part to reduce the weight. So that's why it is like this. Now in this, if you see, this is front view, right? Now we need to draw side view. So for side view, what I will draw a circle, right? Then I'll have one more circle for this. Okay. Now, if you see, there is a threading in this, right? If you just take this body, then there is a threading. So we need to draw a dotted line. So we'll have 4 dotted lines. All of you know about this internal threading, right? And in side view, you will have circle. So in side view, since it is internal threading, so the inner one will be full, outer one will be 3/4. This you should keep in mind. When you're drawing this, inner one will be full, outer one will be 3/4. Sorry, I'm doing it rough because we don't have that much time. We have exam tomorrow. This is how it is. Got it? Then this is front view. This is again left hand side view, right? Now this part we need to draw, this part, this slot, right? So how will you draw that? So that part will come when you extend from here. It will be this way. Remember, this distance would be given to you, so you don't have to worry about it. This distance, the distance between these two dotted is given. So that is actually the distance between this, how much is the gap they will provide. So what we have done front view and left hand side view of the body, right? Now, if you want to draw top view, again, it will be trapezium. Right? This line will be down. Why? Because of this. Now, this, how will you find out this 2 lines? That you project from here and here. You take 45 degree, you project from here. See, this is the extreme edge which you got. When you project this, you get slightly inside. This is very thin. Here I'm drawing it thick, so you will understand. So this is how it will come. So when you see from the top, this is the edge which I have just now I have done. Right? And there is one more edge. See this. That you will get it from here. This is how you will draw top view of body of turnbuckle. And same way, we'll draw a dotted line. So dotted line will come. There will be 4 dotted lines. I hope all of you know about DO and DI, internal diameter and external diameter, DO and DI. This I'll just explain. If let's say it is M10, so 10 is outer diameter. So inner diameter is 0.8 DO. This you can take 0.8, 0.4, 0.84 or 0.85, 0.82, whatever you want. Between 0.8 to 0.85 you can take and you can draw accordingly. So these two circles. So the external one is DO and inner one is DI. So this is DO and this is DI. So that's why there are 4 lines. So we are done with this. Now, at times they'll ask you to draw upper half in section in body, upper half in section, like how they have given upper half in section. They will ask you to do it. This is I've done normal without hatching. Now upper half, I will draw a cutting plane line, right? And this is your axis. Now what will happen? This line will go away. I want to draw it down. Just like this. This will be done. Now, when you draw this line, 2 dotted line will become down. Now, one more important thing which you should remember. Now, when you draw only body, when you're drawing only body part, that means there is internal threading, right? I'm just drawing it very quickly. So here there is internal threading, right? This is so there is an internal threading, and on shaft we have external threading. So when you have internal threading, that time the hatch lines will come till the inner line. This is very important. You should remember. So when you're drawing hatching upper half in section, it will come till the inner line. And when you're doing external threading, see over here, there is a shaft. So then in external threading, hatching will come only till the upper line. It won't come inside. So this is the main difference you should know between internal and external hatching. If it is internal hatching, then it will come till the inner line, till DI. And if it is external hatching, then it will go only till the outer boundary. So this is upper half in section, right? Sectional front view. If you want to write, this is top view, this is side view of the body. So I hope all of you understood this. If there is any query or anything like that, you can let me know. Thank you.